Financial freedom versus financial independence. These are commonly used terms in finance and in daily life of a common person. We will discuss about the difference between financial freedom and financial independence with respect to definition, with respect to examples, and scope, lifestyle impact. What are the lifestyle impacts? So financial freedom and financial independence, when we go for the definition, financial freedom is refers to having enough wealth and passive income to cover your living expenses without needing to work actively. It means you have enough wealth that you can meet your all life requirements without doing work. It means having the ability to make life choices without being constrained by financial limitations. It means that you don't have to rely on the financial resources or to do work for making choices in your life. You will be free from financial limitations for the decision making of your life. It is the financial freedom. While we discuss about the financial independence means having enough personal wealth to cover your living expenses without relying on others. Others like such as family, friends, government assistance, or any help from other person or parents even. It is typically achieved through earning, saving, and investing wisely. So the main concept of financial independence is the person will not rely on others to meet his life expenses or making choices in life. He has to bear his own expenses and he will earn his own money. That is financial independence. Focus financial freedom. When we discuss the focus, quality of life, flexibility, and ability to pursue passions and pleasures activities without financial worries, one can make decision about improving the quality of life, flexibility, and following the passions because he don't have any worries about the financial resources. In case of financial independence, self sufficiency and the ability to meet financial obligations without external support. As we have discussed in previous slides, external support, without external support, he can make choices of life without any external support, but he have to work for that to meet his life expenses. When we compare the examples of these financial freedom and financial independence, financial freedom, retiring early because passive income from investments like rental properties or dividends cover all your expenses. You don't have to work or you don't have to do job till you are retiring. You can early retire because you have enough money to meet your remaining expenses of life. You can travel to the world without worrying about earning money because your savings and investments generate sufficient income. You would be free from financial worries. Starting a business or pursuing a hobby without concern for immediate income needs. You can make any decision in your life without need of money. In case of financial independence, an individual who has enough savings and investments to cover all their expenses after leaving their job. Someone who has paid off all debts, owns their home outright, and has sufficient retirement savings. A person who can cover unexpected expenses like medical emergencies without needing to borrow money. But in the case of financial independence, you have to work actively sometimes. So you have to fulfill your all expenses without relying on another source. Scope of financial freedom and financial independence, they have somewhat different scope. In case of financial freedom goes beyond the basic needs, allowing for a lifestyle where money is no longer a constraint on life choices. There's no basic needs, it's something upper level. In case of financial independence is a step toward the financial freedom, but focus more on being a self-sufficient in meeting the basic financial needs. While in financial freedom, it is the upper level and where the lifestyles are focused, basic needs are not focused, they are fulfilled easily. Income sources in the financial freedom typically relies on passive incomes from investments that can sustain one's lifestyle indefinitely. In case of financial independence often relies on active income from work and savings. Lifestyle impact, both have different lifestyles impact. Financial freedom impact imply implies the ability to choose whether to work or not with no financial pressure to do. Because financial freedom, there's no pressure. Either he can work or not, it's his own choice. In case of financial independence might still involve working to sustain one's lifestyle, even if there is a comfortable financial cushion. This was the concept of financial freedom and financial independence. I hope by this lecture your concept about these terminologies would be very clear. In the end, we can say that financial freedom is the upper level while financial independence is low level. Financial freedom is to meet the life choices, making decisions without worrying about the financial resources. While in financial independence, one has to work actively or one have to work use savings for meet the requirements of life. He has no rely on external sources. He has to himself fulfill all his requirements. In the case of financial freedom, It is relying on passive incomes that man has not to do work. It's his own choice, either he can work or not, but all expenses are fulfilled by passive income. But in financial independence, sometimes he can not, but mainly he has to work actively to fulfill his life requirements, and he has to consume even savings. So the financial freedom is the upper category, while financial independence is something lower.